Alrighty then, it's that time of the day. It's market update time, and we're gonna have a look at Dow and the S&P 500. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alrighty then, let's have a quick look at what the markets did last night. And as expected, as I said in yesterday's video, I did expect the market to bounce because all the indices were at some good support level. So I did expect a little bit of a bounce, and that's exactly what we got. We got a little bounce. And it's actually, I'm really happy about the bounces, and I'm happy about the volatility now, because like the market's dropped, and you know, before guys, we're getting like 0.5% up days and stuff like that. Now like 1.5% is just sort of like a small day. So love the volatility, guys. Love it, 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 love it. Love it. So let's have a look here, guys. Let's have a look at what's actually going on here in the Dow Jones. So firstly, we did get the bounce. As I was saying to you guys yesterday, that we're at sort of a couple levels of support level, and we got the bounce. We got the bounce. So what's coming next? We may get a little bit more upside, and I want to share with you, and I want to show you a couple of different time frames. Firstly, I want to show you the line chart, because I want to show you that we're actually running into an area where probably around that level there. Let's actually bring up this weekly chart here. This is the weekly chart, and you can see this whole area through here is indeed a major area of where the market's had a lot of problems at in the past. You can see that area through there. And so I would say, guys, that this is actually getting pretty close to an area of resistance now, because it spent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we broke. So 7 weeks we actually bounced off that and could not close below it, and then we closed below it, and then we ran down to this level. So I would actually think, guys, by looking at this, and it sounds like I'm screaming this microphone. I would actually think, guys, by looking at that and by looking at this chart, this one here really makes it. Let me bring that one there. There we go. There. All right, so this one here really represents what's really going on through here. So actually, let's just take it off here. You can see, guys, that if I squeeze this up here, you can see that on this weekly chart, this line through there, that's where the market's had a problem. So we may get a little bit of upside. That 17,500 level is going to be a decent resistance. Yes, the daily might pop a tad back above there, but I think then we're going to start getting into some sort of resistance line coming up through here. And then I think we're likely to roll over and come down through there. So short term, guys, we may get a little bit more upside on that there, but you can see the market's running into a whole area of resistance up the top here, and I think if we do get a little bit more upward movement, then it's likely to be short lived, and then I think we start heading down again, or maybe we just go sideways. That's the hard thing to predict of what's happening right now. Moving on to the S&P. Oh, what's this? Illuminana. Where the hell did that come from? Let's go have a look at S&P. S&P, guys, same thing as the Dow Jones. Nice up bar as well too. And again, you can really notice it on this line chart, guys. This line chart, you can see that this whole area through here is indeed the area sort of it's just above it actually. So it doesn't look like this is, yes, we get a nice bounce to the upside, and we've got some nice movement, but I don't think this is going to be anything, you know, I don't think we're going to race the new highs. I think it's going to be like a little bounce up, and it's going to create the flow of the market. We've now created a lower trough. We're now going to be forming up and forming a lower peak soon, and then I think the market's going to start heading down. And as you can see here, this has now definitely broken this trough here. So now we've made a lower trough, a lower low. So I'm expecting if the market does have a little rally up, then that's going to make a lower trough here on the weekly chart S&P, and we're going to likely head down from there. So There we go, guys. That's what I see on the Dow Jones and the S&P. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.